Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, power lift gate, keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, front floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.